Correct.
On a lighter note, bro, you got some updates regarding DJ Charmza. What's going on there, bro?
Yo, man. Guys, remember DJ Charmza?
Yes, sir.
He's the guy who claims and has got the receipts that he co-produced Jerusalema. And remember, we spoke about him last week or 2 weeks ago. His brother got shot at his place.
And he was in hiding currently,
At the moment, Charmza is in hiding because when his brother got shot, they were looking for him and they asked the guy. It's like, hey, are you Nomcebo? You know, and imagine they ask your cousin. And you're like, yeah, then he got shot. And then he went into hiding. And we don't know if that's related to him claiming
How did he produce
property.
Jerusalem? Do you know the story behind it?
Yeah, I do know the story.
Okay.
Anyway, while that was happening, they were seeking, because he's got lawyers and he went to hiding. Before he even went to hiding, he was looking for a court date. And now there's a court date.
Okay.
Finally has been set. It's going to be happening this year, November on the 25th. And this is a landmark case because if you look at the success of Jerusalema and the numbers, this will probably be the biggest intellectual property music case after Solomon Linda Estates versus Disney over Imbube in the jungle, the Imbube, because that song has generated billions. You know what I mean? So this is going to be a very huge case. So here's the story, man. Thing he posted about this, Charmza, when he was working with Master KG just before lockdown, right? So the story is from an insider. The usual, you know, Master KG, successful artist, the guy goes to his house, they produce songs together, right? Produce songs together in his studio, in Master KG's studio, and then Nomcebo comes over to record. But I think Master KG had other commitments. He had to go either a gig or whatever. He was not around. But I mean, Charmza is very capable of running a session and plays the beats that they've been making, him and Master KG. 3 or 4 beats. She doesn't seem to like him, you know? And then Charmza opens his laptop to play a beat he made on his own. You know, I don't know the previous night, but before then, on his own, on his laptop, right? Because obviously, he wouldn't have made it, like, I think Master KG wouldn't have allowed him to do stuff on his laptop when he's in his studio. This was a previous beat that he had. Played it for him. Nomcebo vibed with it. And they recorded a song and Jerusalema was born. You see? Cool. And then comes back, Master KG obviously vibes with it, loves it. And then there was one time where Charmza came to Master KG's place and they were recording it behind the scenes of the making of Jerusalema, but he wasn't there. And apparently there's a video, and the video is in the background. So they used it in the song. It's in the background looking distraught, like, how? Why am I not involved? You know what I mean? And then if you go on his Facebook, it's still there. I've got the screenshots, in fact. Before Jerusalema came out where he's chilling with Master KG at a restaurant. He documented everything. I'm going to work with this guy. And then I think when it had just come out, he said the makers of Jerusalema, Charmza, and Master KG, they were holding hands, posing, taking a picture. You know? So that's how the song came about. So now there's a case. So here's the case. People who want justice, what is it? The plaintiff, yeah? The plaintiffs, there's 2. It's Charmza and Biblos.
Okay.
So now you ask yourself, how does Biblos now come into it? So when Charmza made the beat, if you listen to Jerusalema, play a snippet there. This thing appears more than 100 times in
the song. Yes.
That appears throughout the song as a loop. So Charmza sampled that. Gandhi sampled it from Biblos.
Oh, okay.
You see? So now, when Biblos hears it, it's like, hey, man, that's me, Mos. You know what I mean? So also he's now part and parcel of the song who didn't get the credit as well. So that's why it's Charmza and Biblos. Not that they work together. Charmza just sampled Biblos.
And who's representing them?
Adams and Adam.
Whoa!
Oh, that's big.
Adams, Charmza's represented by Adams and Adams.
Fuck, they want that Jerusalem money.
Dude, huge top SA law firm in Santon.
I've got a guy who, Steven, I think he's a partner there, ne?
Yeah.
I've got his